Hey, what's up people? I'm back. Today I got quite a few things to check out. We're going to be looking at the Supreme Anti-Hero skateboard collab and some Yeezy 500s.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Alright, first things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. And what do you guys think about this Noah Earth, Wind, Fire tee? Pretty cool, you know. Nice graphic there. This is a size large I'm wearing right now. Pretty standard size, maybe a little bit extra long, but not really that much extra length. Honestly, the labels on that one, you can check those out. I'm gonna get into this skateboard deck from the Supreme 2020 Fall-Winter collaboration with Anti-Hero. So we got two skateboard brands coming together on this deck. I grabbed the one that has some pink on it. Yeah, some pink and yellow. Atmosphere you're in. I like that, so I went ahead and grabbed it. The other side, it looks like we got a couple of Supreme stickers in there. Classic Coca-Cola, you know, Anti-Hero, Supreme, little Coca-Cola looking sticker there that I can probably put on a can. Yeah, you might be able to. It's a beer. This is funny. They got a bunch of really funny stuff in there. But anyways, yeah, pretty cool skateboard deck. The stickers just come shrink wrapped in there with it, so you got that sticker and a couple over there. I'm gonna go ahead, put this. Where should it go? Just down here. There. Hopefully it's not too much glare for you. And then the other items I got from the Supreme Anti-Hero collaboration. Oh, and some stickers. Oh cool, I got the t-shirt sticker, so pretty cool graphic there. I thought it was kind of funny. And so, oh jeez. I guess they also gave two box logo stickers in there. Here is the tee for the Anti-Hero. I'll zoom in for you. This one is a size large. It'll fit basically the same way as this Noah t-shirt fits me. Here's the back here. We got our tag on the back of the neck. It's the back of the tag. There's the front. I like Supreme because they make stuff ethically in the United States. Their sizing is basically just like Noah. So if you want to know the sizing of this tee, yeah, it basically is the same as this tee fits me. I'm 6'1", about 140, 150 pounds, kind of go in between there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this double sticker thing that happened with that, but anyways, cool deal. Double sticker. And then I also went and grabbed the waist bag, this super reflective 3M waist bag. It's all wrapped in this tissue paper. You have a few moisture reducers in there. There is this tag on there, just loose in there. You know, just got some info on there. Yeah, crazy reflective. I think it's a waterproof sort of setup because this zipper is really solid zipper, really nice waterproof sealing kind of a zipper. I've got these straps on the side, just elastic, that are holding down all the extra length for however wide you need this pouch to be. And yeah, you got those Supreme letters all across it, and on the inside you've got this tag stitched in on there, looking all Italian, you know, but then it is made in Vietnam. We got our tag there. There is a little bit of a print or whatnot, a cross stitching on the inside of this with that Supreme lettering. And yeah, so this is a high quality waist pouch. It's gonna be probably keeping things waterproof, I would think, fairly. So I might use it, I might not, we'll see. I'll probably do like a cross body strap if I did do something with it. You know, something like that. Or I might just waist it up, maybe put it on my leg. No, I'm joking. It won't work. That won't work for sure. But anyways, you do have a little Supreme red tag on the one side there. But yeah, it's really cool how it's sort of speckled or broken into it. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to our next item. We are gonna check out these Yeezys. Was pretty excited to grab them. I do have the Supermoons already. Those are in a size 10. These are a size 10 and a half. I was thinking the Supermoons, they were a little bit tight, so I sized to my regular size 10 and a half, and I think I'm gonna be more satisfied with that sizing for me. But we'll find out here. We have our box right away. 500 on the top. Nothing else on this box from Adidas. And then we have our label on here. There it is. I'll go ahead, open this up with you guys. in here. Yeah, all right. So this is actually the second time these have released. They already released one time before, but I was not lucky enough to grab them. They definitely have a new shoe smell. Box is noisy as always. They really smell like nasty glue actually. Yeah, really gross glue, but yeah, you got a bunch of detailing on this. A lot of different materials went into the making of this sneaker. It does have an ortholite insole, bunch of good technology there, and then you have the adiprene sole. Really nice adiprene sole, super squishy, really nice and comfy. I don't know if it's quite as good as Boost, but it is definitely close. It still is a really nice fit. And on the inside part of the shoe, on the sole specifically, you do have this inset portion, so I don't know, kind of gives it a different kind of a look there on the inside. While on the outside of the shoe, got those 4 very distinct sections of the sole on this shoe. It's just a really cool layout how they did it. You let me know what you think about this pair. And yeah, and then yeah, these do fit pretty snug, so I might actually size up in this pair. I don't know how I was rocking that size 10 before. I think I just wore them a ton until they broke open and whatnot. But yeah, for this pair of Yeezys, you definitely do want to size up half a size, or if you go to your true to size, you know, it is going to be a little bit snug. You can break them in a bit. I know from experience, even if you do size down, it's not the end of the world, but it is a lot tougher to wear them. So yeah, size up half a size. And before I let you go, I am going to shoot some positivity at you from the book of Job. Oh man, my finger is busted open again. Yeah, it's super cold outside, and so my hands and my face, everything gets chapped and it's, yeah, dried out because I'm delivering mail, right, every single day. So anyways, I'm going to read Job chapter 36. We're going to look at verse 11. If they obey and serve him, they shall spend their days in prosperity and their years in pleasure. Oh man, so this verse right off the bat, you can think, okay, so if they obey and serve God, like following off God's commandments or something, they shall spend their days in prosperity and their years in pleasure. I mean, it makes perfect sense, right? That shouldn't be difficult, right? But it really depends on how you're translating this verse and if you're reading it in the full context of this story. Because earlier, Job had been really successful, had everything taken away from him. He lost everything. He lost all of his wealth, and he was crazy, like, you know, owner of the town sort of a thing, and owned all the different companies, all the businesses. Had a whole bunch of children. He basically lost all of his animals, all of his children. Everybody died. Everything got destroyed. And then he got super sick. And he had 3 friends that were talking to him and like rebuking him that he needs to confess for his sins because God's got to, you know, forgive him so he can have all of his blessings back. Because Job was known to be somebody who, you know, followed after the one true God, or the God of the nature, or I don't know exactly how they view God back then, but these are really old writings. Anyways, so this kid, Elihu, waits his turn because he's younger, and so the older, wiser men are rebuking Job, telling him he's terrible. But then after a certain amount of time, after all of them had had their chance to talk, Elihu turns to Job and just pours into him a ton, just a bunch of content. And that was one of the things later on, like it was probably like 20 paragraphs in before he even said that. But he's basically burning with anger that these older, wiser men are consumed with the fact that Job did something wrong. When in reality, Job hadn't done anything wrong, and nature was just taking over, and God he lets nature happen. He lets things take place and really put us through some stuff so that we can come out on the other side and be a stronger person. And so, you know, if you follow and seek after the one true God, who I think wants us to care for every living thing out there, if we chase after him, it's not necessarily that life is going to be super, super crazy easy. No, it's going to be prosperous. And what happens when you prosper, you know? It's going after things and seeing them succeed. And it may be tough to get it going. It may be really hard, but you just have to persevere through it. I mean, right now I'm working on getting a trademark. That should be finishing up here shortly. And then I'm going to go into getting a utility patent. So yeah, a lot of fun stuff in the works, and I just have to like not stress out too much about it because it's very expensive stuff. I mean, in my ballpark anyways, for what I have to work with, it's all really a leap of faith for whatever it is you're chasing after, the things I'm chasing after. I'm just trying to come at it from the most positive perspective, positive place, so that I can really keep my sanity. I don't want to lose it. I gotta keep myself put together. So I know we're all fighting just to do that right now. There's so much going on. I mean, today is the day that the United States is supposed to certify the election or whatever, and say that Joe is actually the official winner, which yeah, cool deal there. Yeah, we're in a lot of different stressful things out there, so I hope you're doing your best to keep your sanity, keep it together, and yeah, I'm gonna keep pushing out content. Definitely hit me up if you want me to make you a t-shirt, make custom shirts with my graphic that I've been working with, you know, all the continents, because I love the continents. And yeah, I might do some more freestyle art here soon. I'm really feeling like I want to, but I just have not gotten around to it. Sadly, I've been working 60-hour days. Like, I literally jumped out of the shower to do this review for you guys and give you this content. So anyways, thank you all so much for keeping up, and I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, going tryna get a pill. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, boy, tryna get it right. Tryna do it right now. If it's working.